Okay, so we're going to talk about Unit 23 now, adding and subtracting like fractions. So, what I mean when I talk about like fractions is that our denominators are alike or are the same. So if denominators are the same, we can very easily add or subtract fractions from each other. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if I have 4 over 12 and I say add 3 over 12, my denominators are the same. So all I have to do is add my numerators to each other. So that is 4 plus 3 equals, I can write them all on top of each other like this. 4 plus 3, so that is equals 7 over 12. Okay, because my denominators were alike, it's easy to do. Even if it says, if I have another fraction added there, so 4 over 12 plus 3 over 12 plus 6 over 12, it doesn't change the steps that I take. Then I just have to add 4 plus 3 plus 12 equals 13. 13 over 12. Now I see, oh, hang on a minute, it is an improper fraction. So we go back to what we learned in Unit 20 and 21, and we say, remember the line that we have there means divided by. So I say 13 divided by 12. 13 divided by 12, and that equals 1 and 1 over 12. My denominator doesn't change. That 1 was the remainder that I got after dividing 13 by 12. Okay, then when I talk about subtracting, if I say 6 over 12 minus 3 over 12, my denominators are the same again, so all I have to do is subtract the numerators. So that will mean it equals 3 over 12. That can be simplified. Remember what we learned in the previous units. Simplify. We always try and write our fractions in its simplest form. Okay, next step is if I'm adding mixed numbers, adding and subtracting mixed numbers. The rule stays the same. I have to have denominators that are alike. Let me show you. If I have 2 and 3 over 4 plus 1 and 2 over 4, I see my denominators are the same. With this, it's nice and easy. All I do, I add my whole numbers, that equals 3, and my fractions, 3 plus 2 equals 5 over 4. But there I see, oh, I've got an improper fraction again. Okay, so my improper fraction I have to turn into a mixed number. 5 divided by 4 equals 1, with 1 remaining. Now that 1 goes into my whole numbers. Okay, so that 1 goes into there. It becomes 4 and 1 over 4. Okay. Now if I'm doing minus, I say, let's start with 1 minus 3 over 4. Okay? I've got a whole number with no fraction. What do? I can turn that whole number into a fraction by saying what? It can be anything. It can be 3 over 3, 4 over 4, 5 over 5, 6 over 6, as long as the numerator and denominator are the same. But remember, we're working with like fractions. So I'm just going to use the denominator that I need. So 4 over 4 minus 3 over 4. Then it's a simple subtraction question to do. Okay, or sum to do. So 4 minus 3 equals 1 over 4. That is my answer there. Let me just check. Okay, there's quite a few of those, so let's do another one. Let's say, what if I have 3 minus 1 and 1 over 4. Okay, now, right, what do? I can first do my whole numbers. So I say 3 minus 1 equals 2 minus, now that's fallen away, I've taken 1 away there, and a quarter. But that sometimes we forget to take 1 out, and it can get a bit complicated. So what I prefer you to do is to say, let's turn that and that into improper fractions. Right, so if I want to turn 3 into an improper fraction using 4 as my new denominator, I say 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 over, remember my denominator, 4. So 3 is the same as saying 12 over 4. Minus, this is easier, 4 times 1 equals 4 plus that 1. Remember we did it earlier. So it is 5 over 4. There I've got like denominators. I just do a normal subtraction sum. 12 minus 5 equals 7 over 4. Now, improper fraction, I have to turn it back into a mixed number. So I say 7 divided by 4. How many times does 4 go into 7? Ones, with 3 remaining, and my denominator stays the same. Right, I hope with that information you are able to do Unit 23. Good luck. I'm just having a quick look. Yeah, you should be able to.